Find square root of 1296. To find the square root by long division method, first we should frame it in this way, that is C. 1296. Okay, next. Now you should divide the given number into pairs starting from this side. So these two number one pair and these two number one pair. Okay, next. Now we should see between which two square numbers does this number fall into, and the square numbers are these: 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, and it goes on. These are the square numbers, and here we have 12. 12 falls between these two numbers. So we take the smaller one, that is 9. So 3 3s 9. Okay. Now we subtract. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now this pair as it is, you take it down, making it 396. Now here we should add these two numbers, that is 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Now we should look for a number to write here. Whatever number we write here, here also we should write the same number. And also, when we multiply this and this number, we should get the result equal to or closer to this number. I repeat, we should find a number to write here. Whatever number you write here, here also you should write the same number. These two should be the same number. And also when you multiply this and this, the resulting should be equal or closer to this. So let us find the number here. If we take 2, so here also it should be 2. These two should be same. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 6, 12. 124 is far from 396. So if we take 5, 5 5 is 25. 5 6 30, we get 325. This is still far from 396. If we take 66 into 6, these two numbers have to be same. So 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 6, 36 plus 3 is 39. We got exact 396. So here you write 6, here also 6, and here 396. Now we should subtract. So when you subtract, you get 0. So now we got 0. That means given number is a perfect square. And also square root of 1296 is this number, that is 36. This is our answer. Am I clear?